We are all aware of the delicious flavor of cinnamon tea, but few are aware that it also has a number of health benefits. It is known to help with a variety of health issues such as diabetes, colds and flu, diarrhea, nausea, bloating, indigestion, and many more. This wonder food has been used for centuries to naturally cure a variety of health problems. Hi viewers! In this video, you will discover the incredible benefits of cinnamon tea for our health, and I will even show you how to prepare it at home in simple steps. So make sure you keep watching to the end so that you don't miss out on any single step. Cinnamon tea also has anti-inflammatory properties, which aid in the relief of a variety of aches and pains in the body. Cinnamon tea's health benefits. 1. It aids in weight loss. Cinnamon aids in weight loss by creating a feeling of fullness and decreasing food cravings. It also helps us burn more calories by speeding up our metabolism. 2. It aids in blood purification. Cinnamon is a powerful blood purifier. It contains antioxidants, which allow it to remove toxins from our blood and purify our blood, keeping us healthy and improving our skin. As a result, drinking cinnamon tea is essential for staying healthy and fit. 3. It prevents heart disease. Cinnamon contains a high concentration of calcium, fiber, and iron, which can aid in the prevention and treatment of heart disease. As a result, heart patients should consume cinnamon tea regularly. 4. It improves brain function. Cinnamon has been shown in studies to be beneficial not only to the body but also to the brain. Cinnamon has been shown to improve cognitive speed, concentration, and focus, and even stimulate the growth of new neural pathways in older generations. This makes it an excellent herbal remedy for treating a variety of neurological conditions. 5. Cinnamon tea boosts the metabolism and the immune system. Cinnamon tea has antifungal, antibacterial, and antiviral properties. As a result, cinnamon tea is one of the best drinks for boosting the immune system and neutralizing and removing foreign objects and pathogens from the body. This is especially useful for the stomach, where many of these pathogens can live. 6. It alleviates menstrual pain. Cinnamon, because of its anti-clotting properties, can aid in menstrual blood thinning. This, in turn, alleviates the menstrual discomfort caused by excessive clotting. It can also provide some cramp relief. 7. Maintains oral health. Cinnamon tea can help to keep our mouths clean, fresh, and healthy. It can also help to prevent gum disease and tooth decay due to its disinfecting and antibacterial properties. It encourages good oral hygiene. As a result, if you want to keep your mouth fresh and healthy, drink at least 1 cup of cinnamon tea with honey in the morning. 8. Cancer cell growth is slowed. Cinnamon has anti-carcinogenic properties, which means it can help to slow the growth of cancer cells, according to researchers. As a result, drink cinnamon tea every day and stay away from cancer. 9. Swelling and pain are reduced. Cinnamon is extremely effective in relieving rheumatoid arthritis and rheumatoid arthritis pain. If you have arthritis or rheumatic pain, drink 1 glass of cinnamon tea once or twice a week. 10. It combats viruses and inhibits the growth of bacteria. Cinnamon has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties that aid in the prevention of the growth of harmful bacteria, the fight against viruses, and the treatment of various infections. As a result, drinking 1 cup of cinnamon on a regular basis can keep you healthy and safe. 11. Aids in the alleviation of stomach discomfort. Cinnamon contains catechins, which can help relieve stomach discomforts caused by indigestion, such as diarrhea, stomach cramps, indigestion, and so on. So, if you have stomach issues, drink cinnamon tea with honey for immediate relief. 12. It increases blood circulation. Cinnamon is known to improve blood circulation, which in turn helps with digestion, joint pains, and a variety of other health issues. Improved blood circulation can be beneficial to our skin as well. As a result, drinking 1 cup of cinnamon tea is a good way to improve our blood flow and stay healthy. Are you enjoying the video? Then press that like button and also subscribe to the channel. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now that we know the health benefits of cinnamon tea, it's time to learn how you can make it from your homes. To prepare cinnamon tea at home, you need to follow the following simple steps. Step 1. Fill a pot with water and add a cinnamon stick. In a medium saucepan, pour in half a cup of water. Before placing the pot on the stovetop, add 1 cinnamon stick and cover it with a lid. If you prefer, you can use a glass tea kettle instead of a saucepan. Rate the cinnamon stick into several pieces if you want a stronger tea. Step 2. Bring the water to a slow boil in a large pot. Set the stove's burner to medium-low to allow the cinnamon flavor to come out of the stick as it slowly boils. Allow it to reach a boil, which should take about 15 to 25 minutes. Even when the water reaches a full boil, don't be alarmed if it's only a pale yellow color. It takes some time for the tea to darken. Step 3. Allow 15 minutes for the tea to steep. Remove the water and cinnamon mixture from the heat once it has reached a full boil. Allow the tea to steep for about 15 minutes off the heat to allow the rest of the cinnamon to be released from the stick. As it steeps, the tea will darken and turn a golden red color. Step 4. Serve the tea in a mug with a strainer. Allow the tea to steep for a few minutes before straining it into a mug using a fine strainer. The strainer will catch any cinnamon stick shards that may have fallen off during the brewing process. Serve or drink the tea immediately. The tea will cool during the steeping and straining process. If the tea isn't as hot as you'd like when it's done, pour it back into the pot and reheat it. That is it for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. We're ready to answer all the questions you may have. And also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.